Um, this question is about amortized loan. So Mr. Bill S. Preston purchased a new house for $170,000. So your specific number probably will be different from the version I'm saying here. Um, he paid $25,000 down. So that means, based on these two numbers, that means he only needs to borrow the difference between these two numbers, and that will be the present value of this loan, and agreed to pay the rest over the next 20 years in 20 equal end of the year payments plus the end of the year. That's the convention. Yeah, later on when we use the Excel function, we don't have to change the default type. Plus 8% compound interest on the unpaid balance. What will these equal payments be? So as long as we put all these numbers into the appropriate place, I guess this problem won't be that hard. So present value, as we said, will be the difference between the purchase price and the down payment, right? So it's going to be 170,000 minus 25,000. So that's this present value, and the number of payments, that will be 20, and R, that's the interest rate, will be 8%. So, and then I already have this percentage sign. So here, I just need to calculate the annual payment. In most cases, actually, we're working with the monthly payment because most of the mortgage payments are made monthly. But in this case, actually, it's even simpler. We just need to work with the annual numbers. So that equals PMT, and open this, and the rate is the interest rate, and then the NPER is the number of annuity payments, and then the PV is this PV. And before we go on, before I discuss the sign here, let's just look at the other arguments of this PMT function. The future value, that refers to the some lump sum future cash payment. We don't have that here. And type, as we said, this is by default the end of the year convention. This we don't have to change the default format either. And so we can just simply close this. But if we just keep the present value in its current format, they will get a negative payment. You can see this red sign in bracket indicates it's negative. So if I want to have a positive number but with the same absolute value, so I can just change the present value and add a negative sign in front of this number, and then I can get this positive number. So, and just copy this number back and get rid of the dollar sign, because we have the dollar sign in front of this blank, and check my answer. So that's correct.